Hey there, it's Brittany, and I am back with Curated bead box. It's very close, I'm sorry about that. It's called Ponds and Lily Pads. Oh, that looks super cute. All right, so let's go through it, and then we'll make a cute little, we'll try and make a project. If you're interested in subscribing to Curated bead box, check out the link in the description of this video, and you can save 35% off your first box by using coupon code TURQST35. Okay, I'm guessing this is what they're calling malachite. This is a 10mm malachite gemstone bead, 7 to 8 inch string. The only thing about malachite about it is the color. This is not malachite, so I don't want you to think that's what it says. It's a stone bead, probably dyed. It's a pretty green color. The 10mm green sea beach style glass bead, 6 inch string. Nice sea glass style green. Really pretty color green. 10mm pastel blue gemstone style glass bead, 6 inch string. So it's like a crackle glass. I love this. This is a really pretty like aquamarine color. 10mm 10mm drizzled deep turquoise glass beads, 6 inch string. It's cool. They have tons of these drizzled glass. I don't think I've seen this color before, which is saying something because I have all the colors. 8mm white semi-matte glass bead, 10 inch string. I would say these are full matte, unless there's a different style in here, but that's it. Very pretty. Again, more of that sea glass style. 8mm green gemstone bead. Well, I don't know what this is. I thought it was pretty nice first. Could be, but it's really pretty. It's a nice color. 8mm beige gemstone bead, 7 to 8 inch string. I would guess it's got some kind of jasper maybe. 6mm light green marble style glass bead, 16 inch string. So we get a huge string of these, full strand. 6mm green aventurine gemstone bead, 7 to 8 inch string. Lots of stones in this one. Approximately 1 ounce of 6mm blue electroplated bicone glass beads. Very nice. At least they're not teeny tiny bicones. 20 by 8mm green aventurine gold link, 4 links. Okay, interesting. 26 by 6mm gold metal spacer beads, 6 beads. These are really cool. I love these. And a 54 by 50mm dragonfly green patina metal pendant. Oh, I love patinaed metal. Oh, that's super cute. I love that. Very cool. So we'll obviously be making a necklace because I really like that. And then the findings kit this month is gold. So I'm going to look through everything and we'll come up with a project. Okay, I decided I'm going to use the pendant, of course. And then I'm going to use these 4 pieces, but I am actually going to unlink them. And then I'm going to use these green beads. I'm not sure that I'm going to get these in. I really like them, but I don't really know what I want to do with them, and maybe I'll just save them for a rainy day. If I need them, I might use these little aventurine. And I think I'm going to change out, no, I think I'm going to leave the bright gold. Even though the dragonfly is antique brass, I'm going to leave the bright gold spacers. I'm also going to use this antique brass soft flex to match the brass, and then I got out some antique brass jump rings. So I'm just gonna get started. I'm just jumping in. This is the quickest I've probably made a piece right after unboxing something, but this box has been sitting here for a little while because of my store opening and Tucson and some stuff that's going on in my personal life. So I'm trying to catch up. But the fun thing is we still have tons of Tucson videos left. I just have not had time to film the hauls, meaning there's some really good content coming. I even have like interviews with people from Dakota Stones and John Bead. It's just trying to get my life together over here. And unfortunately, you all miss out when that happens. So I'm just going to open everything up. And then I am going to take, I wonder if I have a antique brass bail. Probably, but I don't want to go get it. All right. As you can see, I got out 2 jump rings just because I like the look of a double bail here. find some other metal to put on this. I just don't know what I want yet. What about these? These are like antique old beads from a necklace that I took apart from Tucson. I like these. They're kind of like goldy silver. I don't know. We'll see if it works. If it doesn't work, we'll try something else. Bead stringing wire. And I am going to put like, actually, I'm going to put one of these on. Like that. And then three more. I don't think I'm actually going to use those now that I have these. Also, we hit like 21,000 subscribers like a month ago, and I forgot to celebrate it. So thank you, thank you, thank you for those of you who are new here. For those of you who are not new here, thank you, thank you, thank you. And I appreciate every single person, whether you comment, subscribe, like, whatever. Even if you're just watching, thank you so much. It really means a lot to me. We've got a lot going on here, and sometimes the channel gets a little neglected, but this is where I started, so I always, as long as I'm able, I want to continue making videos, but also only if people want to see them. I said a little while ago, like, sometimes I don't know if we are going to keep doing it because I just don't know if people actually want to see stuff, but once in a while people say, yeah, keep doing it. So here, I'm loving this. This is so cute. It looks like, it just reminds me of like a little pond with a little bit of sand or something. Just asymmetrical. All right, I'm gonna, let's see, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 2, 3. We're gonna have this extra one. It's gonna drive me nuts. Yep. I'm just designing this as I go, by the way, if you could not already tell that. I'm just doing what feels right. Okay, now I'll take some off of my string, my spool, and finish up the other side. We might go with the smaller aventurine in the back. I feel like that's going to be a win if we do that. Sorry, my hands are a mess. I've got Sharpie, I've got paint, I've got dry hands, I've got makeup. We're doing a lot over here. I cannot wait to show you the new stuff from the new drop that's going to be on March 30th. It's like the last one was amazing. I will absolutely admit that, but I'm hoping the next one's going to be just as cool, if not better. There's definitely, if I can get enough in the shop, that's always the problem. Tons of really cool handmade beads. Like some of these sometimes when I see them, I'm just like, are you kidding me? My goal is to actually make some videos using some of the stuff I make. But if you saw the amount of bead boxes that I have piled up over here just to show videos of, you would kind of cry. So it's a good problem to have. I promise. I really promise. I love what I do. All right, we're going to get this last set on here. All right, so obviously that's not long enough to be a necklace that I can wear, but I certainly love, love, love it. I am going to put another set of this on, or another metal spacer. I have tons of these left, but maybe I'll make a bracelet. Maybe I'll go into my stash and find a dragonfly, and we'll make a bracelet too, because I know I have a dragonfly somewhere. Something, maybe not a dragonfly, but maybe something that'll match. Okay, I think that's long enough. Just added some inventory, and it looks like it doesn't line up because it's asymmetrical, but it works. I'm just gonna go ahead and put on a crimp the side. Let's see. All right, so we put the crimp on, put then on our clasp, and then came back down through the crimp again, making sure our wires aren't crossed. We're gonna go ahead and put that in our crimping pliers and squish. And then we'll turn 90 degrees and squish again, and then squish one more time. I'll just slide that wire into a couple of my beads to hide it a little bit, and we'll cut off the tail in just a moment. Well, it'll go through one bead. And then we'll move everything down. Do the exact same thing on the other side with this jump ring. All day I've been calling jump rings crimp tubes. I am going to make sure, do you see that there's a gap in that ring? I want to make sure that we eliminate that gap. There we go. Come through our crimp tube. Then our jump ring, and then back through our crimp. And try and come down through a couple beads. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and pull and just make sure that there aren't any noticeable gaps. But we want to make sure that, of course, this is not straight while we're crimping, because we don't want it to be a hot mess and too tight around that we can't really let it drape correctly. All right, there is going to be a gap here. Try getting most of it out, but she's not cooperating. And then we'll go ahead and put that in our pliers and squish. 90 degrees and squish. And squish one more time. Take our pliers. And trim that wire. This is a cute little pond-inspired necklace. Love it, love it. Little frog would be cute on here too, I think. But I love the little dragonfly. That is such a cute pendant. There we go. I love her. She's super cute. And it was fast and easy. And look at all the beads that are left. Let me see if I can find something to go with it to make a bracelet. Okay, I didn't get a filigree, but I did find some check glass that might work here. This one works, looks cute. This one also works and looks cute. I think we'll go with that one though. Oh my gosh, they're both cute. Maybe you can make, I'm not gonna make earrings because I won't wear them. But I think maybe I'll make a stretch bracelet. I have some 0.7mm stretch magic, so I'll just use this. I'm still gonna stretch it beforehand. You're supposed to anyway, but usually I do it after I put the beads on, and I don't really want to deal with any issues. So, okay, I think this guy on, oh my goodness, the hole is not great on this. I'll have to see. Oh, my bead reamer. Take my bead reamer. Much better, hopefully. Yep. I will put on one of these. And then I'm going to put on the rest of these bigger green beads and then go back into these two small ones at the end. All right, super simple. I will just cut this off the spool. And you know what? I just remembered they put stretch cord in the box, so I didn't even need to go hunting for my own stretch cord. Just was not paying attention. So I did one knot, another, and then a third, and then I don't think I have any. I do. I'm going to use my GS Hypo Cement. That is also a hot mess. I think that's the name of my middle name at the moment is Brittany Hot Mess. Go ahead and put some glue on there. Close up your glue. And then I usually wait like 5 minutes or so, trim off. Actually, after that, I always do this. And then I trim off the ends. And we'll try and slide that knot into this bead as carefully as possible. It's gonna slide in and out a couple times. There we go. And we have a matching bracelet. Super duper cute. And then I could just pair this with however many other bracelets I want, but this one matches specifically with the color palette and has some of the same beads. So anyway, thanks so much for watching. If you're interested in subscribing to the Curated Bead Box, check out the link in the description and use coupon code TURQST35 for 35% off your first box if you subscribe. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for Goldie. She's super cute. Bye-bye. Cutie, getting you on your fort of blankies. You love it over there, huh? Oh, Wheezy Bones. Oh, hello. Hi, cutie. Hi. Having a good day?